Alright, quick and easy cabin air filter on a Gen 4 Silverado. I'm just going to pull this soft close lever out of the way. You're going to push both sides in at the same time. And you just want to pull this, push this in from the side, and you're going to want to slide it to the left. This whole door. That'll come flying off. Just pull your old cabin out. Gonna throw the new one in. Airflow pointing down if it does have the arrow. Then the cover is going to go back in, and it's going to slide back into those grooves. Grab the door, just kind of line it back up with the clips. Push up, back into place, and attach your soft close hydraulic thing.